Welcome to our training video on how to register as a supplier in the wescale network. Today, Olivia will show us how easy it is to register after you have received an invitation.
Hi everyone! I just received an invitation to join the wescale network. Let's see how it works. First, I open the email and click on the registration link. Join the wescale network.
Olivia is redirected to a browser page that summarizes the invitation.
Here I can see all the details of the invitation again. Everything seems to be in order, so I click on Accept Invitation.
In the registration form, Olivia sees the data that the purchasing company has provided about her.
I check the pre-filled data. If I want to change something, I can do it here. I also enter a short name for my company. As soon as everything is correct, I click on Submit Registration.
Olivia receives a welcome message with her user login and a link to set her personal password.
I will now set my password by clicking on the link in the welcome message.
Once Olivia has set her password, she can log into wescale, your digital procurement workplace.
I'm logging on to the wescale network now, and I'm in.
Congratulations, Olivia. You have now successfully registered with the wescale network. We wish you every success in your collaboration with your